Nature Channel presents cutest animals. Rabbit. Rabbits have almost 360-degree vision and can sleep with their eyes open. Despite their playful nature, rabbits don't make a lot of noise, but they do have a language of their own made up of subtle body movements. Margay. The margay is a solitary and nocturnal cat native to Central and South America. Uniquely among cats, it's an adept climber and can even descend trees headfirst like a squirrel due to their flexible ankles that can turn up to 180 degrees. Flamingo. Flamingos are famous for their vibrant pink color, which actually comes from their diet rich in alpha and beta-carotenoid pigments. Interestingly, they are not born pink. Their feathers turn from gray to pink as they grow older. Hamster. Despite their small size, hamsters have cheek pouches that can stretch all the way back to their hips, allowing them to carry an impressive amount of food. They are also nocturnal and can run up to 9 kilometers in a single night. Wombat. Wombats are unique in the animal kingdom because they produce cube-shaped droppings. They're also sturdy and surprisingly speedy, capable of running up to 40 kilometers per hour when threatened. Red fox. Red foxes are incredibly versatile creatures, able to thrive in a variety of environments from the Arctic to the desert. They're known for their intelligence, with research showing they can identify each other's voices and use over 20 different calls for communication. Squirrel monkey. Squirrel monkeys have one of the largest brains compared to their body size among all primates. They also have a unique way of communicating, by chattering and making facial expressions, and even by using their tails. Lamb. Lambs have a strong instinct to follow the older members of the flock, learning quickly from their behavior. They can also recognize their own mother's bleats and will rush to her when they hear her call. Pygmy marmoset. The pygmy marmoset is the world's smallest monkey and weighs about as much as a stick of butter. They communicate using a complex system of vocal, visual, and chemical signals, and can rotate their heads 180 degrees to look for predators. Quokka. Quokkas are often called the world's happiest animals, due to their friendly nature and constant, smiling expression. They're also quite adaptable, able to survive in a variety of environments and go for long periods without water. White lion. White lions aren't albinos. Their light coloration comes from a recessive gene known as leucism. They're considered sacred by some indigenous cultures, but are sadly hunted in the wild. There are now more white lions in captivity than in the wild. Sea otter. Sea otters have the densest fur in the animal kingdom, with up to 1 million hairs per square inch. They also use tools, like rocks, to crack open their prey, a skill they teach to their offspring. Panda. While pandas are famous for eating bamboo, their bodies are actually designed for a carnivorous diet. They have an extra thumb extension for handling bamboo. Also, each panda has a distinctive pattern, much like a human's fingerprint. Koala. Koalas have fingerprints that are strikingly similar to human fingerprints, so much so that they could be confused at a crime scene. Also, these marsupials have a special cartilage at the end of their spine that acts like a cushion, making it comfortable for them to sit on branches for hours. Red panda. Did you know that the red panda is the only living species of its kind in the world today? Despite their name, they are not closely related to the giant panda but have a family all their own. Also, their false thumb is an extended wrist bone. Penguin. Penguins have a gland near their tails that produces oil which they spread across their feathers to make them waterproof. Contrary to popular belief, not all penguins live in icy habitats. Some are found in temperate climates such as the Galapagos penguin. Dolphin. Dolphins are one of the most intelligent species on the planet, with a brain-to-body weight ratio greater than great apes. They are known to display empathy, cooperation, and even self-recognition. Dolphins also use a series of clicks and whistles to communicate and have been observed using tools in the wild. Thanks for watching.